TE Connectivity yields a wide range of core electronics products. We have up to 10,000 school models of Panasonic to meet various electronic needs. About Panasonic Electronics. TE Connectivity is a global technology company that focuses on providing a wide range of connectivity and sensor solutions. Its products include connectors, sensors, relays, cable assemblies, and other passive electronic components, which are widely used in many industries, such as automotive, aerospace. TE Connectivity's main products include capacitors, inductors, resistors, and sensors. The products will be used in automotive electronics, industrial automation, medical equipment, and power energy. TE Connectivity is committed to providing innovative electronic solutions to customers around the world with its advanced technology. Orson Electronics is committed to providing TE's product models.
Do you want to buy electronic components? Search from Orson Electronics.